Well, hello my creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to part 2 of our vintage Christmas plate project. In case you missed the first part, you can catch all the magic by following the link below. You know, there is something incredibly charming about vintage gifts that just scream cozy in any modern home. So, it's Christmas o'clock and I'm excited to introduce you my trusty assistant Sonia. And we go on a crafty adventure. Let's create together and let's get started. Okay, step 1. Starting with a bit of Photoshop magic. I prepared it for you and attached the image below. Just give it a little snip to fit your plate. Next up, we're showing some love to an IKEA plate, giving it a spa day with a touch of nail polish remover. Can't get easier than that, right? Time to get sticky. We're going full decoupage mode by slathering some Mod Podge on the printed side and the plate surface. It's like a crafty handshake for the best bloom. And after it dries, we will give it another Mod Podge hug. Okay, colors. Red light, yellow, baby pink and green are still in the show. Get ready for playful painting adventure. Enter the secret weapon, plastic wrap. Crumble it up and some red paint and dab away to create a magical texture. Leave some gaps and you'll start seeing the enchanting effect come to life. And watch out for Sonia, a little artist who sometimes decides to leave her paws unmarked. Time to add some depth with green paint. Dark green, light green and metallic green. It's a green party. Each layer adds depth and character, creating a stunning effect. A dash of light yellow is a cherry on top. After everything dries, you will witness the magical combination of metallic and regular paint. And voila! Let's create together. Let's get started. Looking for unique gifts or standout piece for your home? Discover my textured painting on Etsy, Canary. Each piece carries the same creative charm as this project. Perfect for gifting and adding character for your space. Now back to our creative adventure. To make sure our image doesn't peek through, I will cover the plate's bottom with plate white paint. It's like giving our masterpiece a cozy undercoat. Time to make it gleam with gold paint, adding a touch of Christmas magic. Brush it over the multicolored design and watch it shine. We are stepping up our game with an all-purpose compound and palette knife, giving our plate an elegant finish. Optional, but also luxurious. Of course, Sonia makes her special appearance, adding a unique texture with a palette knife. We love this technique for its simplicity. And here where we slow down a bit. After everything dry, I will take that golden paint with a thin brush and start painting clothes, hair and details with golden accents. Completely optional, but it gives our piece that vintage charm we love. Enter the golden purling pen, perfect for creating semi-beads, optional, but it adds that special handcrafted touch. And finished vintage Christmas plate, ready to add a touch of elegance to any interior. It's more than just a craft project, it's a heartfelt, priceless gift idea that can replace a standard postcard. Plus, if you pack it in a beautiful box, it becomes a truly special and cherished present. So, if you're loving the creative vibe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and friendly DIY projects. Happy crafting, and may your holiday season be filled with joy and magic.